Hi, I'm Richard Marikar, and this is my work for Project Zero of web programming with Python and JavaScript. So this is the home page, and we have 4 different HTML pages. We have this one, and this one. So let's go back home. We have unordered lists right here. So we have this unordered list. We have table right here, and we have images here. We do have a style sheet file, so take a look. This is our style sheet right here. This has 5 different, at least 5 different CSS properties. We also have, we use the we use the class selector many times here. We use the ID selector right here. We use an @media query. So if we go to travel.html, we have this @media query right here. So if we take a look at travel, you see we have 2 columns, but if we straight the page, columns go down here. And so that is due to our @media query. We have so we have a bootstrap. So these are bootstrap column. We use the bootstrap's grid model, and so these columns are part of bootstrap's grid model, and same here. And we do take advantage of the bootstrap component. If we go to social media, the table is designed using bootstrap. So yeah, that is it. Thank you.